All of the branches are budding new leaves. My neighbor's grandchild is begging him, please come outside. Our garden's creatures have come to greet us. I hear a robin eagerly singing her song. Have you ever heard a welcome so warm? And it sounds like, ooh, take a moment, ooh, breathe it in this air, and breathe out again, 'cause it all begins again. All of my worries like snow melt away. A balm for